Guys, if CPS and the legal system is making you feel like you're the criminal, think again. Because the real criminals are the judges, the lawyers, the police officers, the county court clerks, and the CPS agents that violate your rights on a daily basis. You guys, this video is about to expose some serious shit. I'm about to show you how many crimes these people commit on a daily basis. If we were to sit down and list every single violation and law that these guys were breaking on a daily basis, it would take a novel. We would be sitting here for days on end just listing every single criminal offense. And they're not just minor offenses, they're federal offenses. Every single time a CPS agent, a judge, a lawyer, a police officer violates your federally protected constitutional rights, they are committing a federal offense. And the state is paying them to do so. That is what we call an emolument violation. The state cannot pay a state actor to commit crimes. But I'm going to take you down a rabbit hole that's deeper than that. You see, when a state actor violates your federally protected rights, he then steps outside of the law. He steps outside of his authorized authority. You see, when a public servant acts under color of state law, but outside of lawful authority, such as fabricating evidence, violating due process, or misusing power for institutional or personal benefit, those acts cease to be official duties. If the conduct occurred while drawing a state or federal funding salary or stipend, then public money was used to carry out unlawful acts. That creates potential violation. You guys, we're talking about misappropriation of state and federal funding. If I'm a CPS agent and I just file documents into court, misrepresenting the facts or misleading the court in order to get a court order to remove your children, I just committed how many felonies? Federal offenses, fraud upon the court, all of which is misappropriation of state funds and an emolument violation. Title 18 U.S. Code subsection 666. That seems like a pretty big coincidence. Theft of misapplication of funds for programs receiving federal money. Title 18 U.S. Code subsection 641, conversion of government funds. They're stealing federal funding under misappropriation of state funds to commit crimes to traffic your children. You guys, the judges are in on this. The lawyers are in on this. The court-appointed attorneys, the CPS workers, the police officers, the sheriffs. They're all committing these crimes on a daily basis. Title 4E and Medicaid funding. When they falsified records, delayed hearings, or obstructed reunification to preserve federal funding streams that became a misuse of federal funds. Do you guys see where I'm going with this? All of these agencies have contracts with each other, and it's done through every single state Supreme Court. You guys, anytime an agency attorney or a guardian ad litem colludes with DPS or CPS or DSS or whatever agency you're in, if they knowingly advance false information, suppressed evidence, or colluded with CPS against the client's rights, they are converting these compensated programs and salaries and time and resources to unlawfully use. This is why I constantly tell you that the legal system is the biggest criminal organization in the world. Child traffickers, which are CPS agencies, are the biggest child trafficking agencies in the world. You guys, knowledge is power. Get some.